Hey everyone, this is regarding the PI planning simulations that we have started. So we are starting our PI planning simulation this 14th and 15th of October 2023. If you are watching later than 14th and 15th October, you may participate on the February batch that we will be doing. I'll just quickly summarize what exactly this PI planning event is and what exactly we are planning to do. This will be a real life PI planning simulations for 2 days. If you already have awareness of what is PI planning and you might have participated in a simulations of 1 hour during your certification course, that is what we will be doing in a real life. So over here it will be not like 1 hours of simulation, it will be 16 hours of simulations. We already created project or products that we will be building. So the business executive will be talking about their business vision, product management, they will be talking about product visions and top 10 features, and the architect will also be coming up on their visions. I will be acting as a RTE over there and I will facilitate that. I will be launching it. I will train you before the simulations with couple of videos that as a team member, as a scrum master, what you will be doing. This will be going through all those events that happens after the visions. Will go into a breakout session of 3 hours, then the management will review. And after the management review, we will be adjusting that on the next day. The team will go for a second breakout session, then we'll go for addressing the risk, coming up with the business values, and then we will be looking into how can get the confidence vote and conclude with the retrospective. So this is a full 2 days event happening on Saturday and Sunday. And we will be using the tools like Miro board for collaborations or creating your art boards, creating your team formations or risk board, everything we will be bringing up over there. Now at the time of creating the exact plan, we will be using Jira for creating all the stories into different iterations that you will be getting access to, and will visualize the dependencies and everything in the Jira advanced roadmap. That's overall the idea is, and this is the first time that we are doing it in virtual mode, and that's why we are coming up with this promotional very low cost pricing. Going forward it will be coming into the regular cost, and we will try to do that every year, kind of 3 or 4 of these kind of simulations. There will be other simulations like value stream mapping, water value stream mappings, that we'll also be talking about in some of the other areas. Many of you are asking that I want to act as a scrum master. You need to understand that in a PI planning there will be 4 teams, 5 teams or maximum 9 teams in these simulations, and we need team members to participate. And why, even if you are a scrum master, you need to participate as a team member. You need to understand that what is the scrum master or the product management. You will be needing to understand what their expectation is from a team member. So when you will be applying those practices within your project, within your team, you will be expecting the similar way. That's one of the greatest learning working as a team member now. Now what we will be doing is we will be creating multiple different teams. Each team will be aligned with a scrum master, one product owner, one dedicated instructor, because there will be lots of other experienced SPCs who will be supporting the whole simulations and guiding you throughout. We'll be dedicating one SPCs to each team throughout your breakout session, throughout your process, and there will be facilitators also who are addressing other teams. They can also jump into and address in any of the situations. So this is happening 14th and 15th October. Don't if you have any questions, feel free to ask us. The descriptions and the link I will be putting in this description if you are watching it in YouTube. If you are watching it in some other forums, go into agiledigest.com and find the workshops. Over there you will find that PI planning simulations. If you have any questions or any doubts, you can let us know. We have a very limited seats remaining at this point of time. Don't waste your time. Fill your enrollment form now, register now, and we will see you in our PI planning. Till that time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.